Kia ora, Rainbow Rosalind. Thanks for inviting me to your concert for Tamariki today. So sorry, I've actually double booked myself and I'm at another Christmas party. Have a great time and catch you on the flippity-flop.
Sounds like Santa has chosen another Christmas party over ours. Wait a minute, I have an idea. Maybe if we all work together to make this the most Christmassy Christmas party ever, then Santa will come. What do you think, audience? Can we do it? Yeah! What about you, orchestra? Can we do it? Yeah! Okay, great. Well, we're going to need to start with something. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells of all time, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing sleighs up tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Great singing, everybody. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bouncing one-horse ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighs up tonight. Great singing, everybody. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse Wow, beautiful conducting, everybody. I think they're naturals.